Enabling DNS over HTTPS can provide several benefits in terms of privacy. DNS over HTTPS encrypts your DNS queries, preventing potential eavesdropping and monitoring of your internet activities. Traditional DNS queries are sent in plaintext, which means they can be intercepted and monitored by your internet service provider or other third parties. With DNS over HTTPS, your DNS queries are encrypted, adding an extra layer of privacy. So watch this tutorial to learn how to enable DNS over HTTPS on any browser. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.